Today we're featuring a 2012 Honda Civic EXL. It's got 75,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, Galaxy Gray metallic in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around. Go ahead and walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks like it's in good shape here. A little bit of a kind of the body right there just dented in just a hair right there on the corner. Alright, nothing major, real minor. I can barely see that. Everything across the back of the vehicle looks good. No problems there. Passenger side looks good. Alright, brand new set of tires on here. 16-inch alloys. Okay, got a couple of little scratches right here on the bumper. And right here on the front of the bumper. Right here's one, another here, a couple here. Real minor. Alright, it's got 75,000 miles on it. And it is a 2012, so that's to be expected. It'll be priced accordingly. Go ahead and check out the inside. Two-tone door panels. Got the leather inserts here. Gray leather driver's seat. Okay, leather looks pretty good. Just a little wrinkle right here. Maybe a slight tear right here in the leather. Okay, everything else looks good. Key fob. Passenger seat looks good. Little wrinkle there in the back of the seat. Okay, but that's stuff to be expected. Like I said, it does have 75,000 miles on it. Okay, really nice thick rubber floor mats. Driver and passenger. It is an automatic. Has heated seats. Alright, there's your climate control. CD player, AM FM stereo, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look at your mileage in a second, but let me pan out and give you a shot. It is equipped with a power sunroof. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the miles. Okay, it's got 75,674 miles. Alright, we've had the air conditioner going out for about 10 minutes, everything blowing cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Check out the leather there. Right, door panel's good. Alright, it's got the black rubber mat back here in the back seat as well. Leather back here looks good. Go ahead and take a look at the driver's eye view here, the layout of the dash. Everything looks really good, laid out really nice. Let's take a look at your trunk space. Alright, nice thick protective mat back here. Trunk looks good, nice and clean. Plenty of space back here. Alright, 16-inch alloys on the Civic. Give you a shot of that there. Alright, brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2012 Honda Civic EXL, 75,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. Alright, a few scratches right here on the bumper. Alright, but it will be priced accordingly. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. Thanks for watching the video.